Alright, so my husband just finished laying the bed down. It's all been raised and everything. We've used a nice piece of aluminum there to make sure that that's got enough support for this bed, because it's going to be a 70-pound bed. And that what you see there is the step to the porta potty, and I'll show that afterward. But I'm just going to show when he comes in the door, because so you can see how it works with the box coming through the door of the Lo Liner, because it's a pretty big box. Okay, here it comes. Now we got to see how it works coming through the door. And it does fit. Just barely. Okay. It does fit. Okay. Alright, so this is the setup and how it will work. Yeah. Now we've been told you have to open these things in place, so you should never try to open it outside and then bring it in from there, because it's supposed to be real floppy and hard to manipulate. Sorry for the jostling, but it's part of the deal on this one. Okay. Now what the other videos I watched said, yeah, undo that first plastic. Like you have to tear that off.
I don't know which way's up.
Well, the top is like a pillow top, so. Okay, so the top is the white part, the gray is the bottom. Okay, and then you
This whole thing is vacuum packed.
yeah, and see how the gray is
Gray the bottom?
I believe it is, yes. So you have to put it in the position. And it's a little hard to get that plastic off, so the best thing is to take it from the side that it is against the wall first to undo it. Because once it starts doing the puff up, then it's going to be harder. Well, that thing puffs right up. Okay, you guys, and I forgot to add, this is made in America. So it's really great for that too. It totally supports, you know, made in America. Alright, now we did leave this in the container for a little while, and they make them and ship them straight to you. So we left ours in the container for a little bit. So I don't know if that affects its lumpiness or not, but anyway, that's what we did. And again, this was like a 1 1/4 inches bigger than the space allotted, but it is an RV full. It is an RV full size, and it is a from Wilderness Mattress, or Wilderness Rv Mattress, and it is a Montana hybrid, is what it's called. And it is the plushest one. It's called a pillow top. And yeah, an RV full. So I hope this is gonna make our dreams come true of sleeping comfortably in the trailer. It's definitely fluffing up. They said within 2 hours it's supposed to be completely fluffed enough. I don't smell anything on it at all. Do you, babe?
Maybe the tiniest bit, but it's just like new fabric smell.
Ah, okay, now here's the tester. For all his hard work, is he happy?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Does it?
Yeah, I think the length of it good too.
Awesome. And it's not too high up. Of course, it hasn't fluffed all the way, but they said this is supposed to be 11 inches high when it's all the way fluffed.
So for me, that's not bad here.
Yeah.
Right now. It's a 10 right now.
Really?
Well, maybe 10 3/4.
Wow.
Still got a little fluffing to do.
Well, that's not too bad.
Looks comfy.
Now,
But for me, this isn't bad height-wise.
to sit on
It
that.
squishes.
And it still doesn't, the metal bar, the aluminum bar doesn't get you at all, does it?
Close.
Awesome.
Of course, we got a step for ours.
Yeah. Do you want to show really quick how the toilet works? Not how the toilet works, but I mean, you know, show the step really quick. So we also did this step. Well, my husband did this step. And you pull out this little thing, and it makes a step up to the bed, because I'm quite short. And then the cool part, yeah, is it hides our porta potty underneath, so you can pull the porta potty out and still use it right there. And that's how it works. And can you show them the just flip the thing over so they can see how it fits around that, how the stool fits around the, yeah, it just fits right around. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Because I'm really short, I'm only 5 feet tall. Anyway, awesome. Such a good guy. And that is our little trailer reno. A few other little modifications that my husband has made for me is a little short stool, and to come in, and then a little short stool for my feet to sit on when we're at the dinette, which is really quite nice. Yeah. And that works really nicely for when I'm sitting at the dinette. And You'll notice I still haven't painted that wall. I still haven't painted the door to the closet yet. Or, in actual fact, the overhead storage. Oh dear. Well, anyway, we're getting there. Now, the end of the bed, because we got the RV short, there is this leftover space. However, we're just going to use that to put our shoes in at nighttime. So, otherwise, it fits real nice. Doesn't seem to have a problem. It's extremely soft. The pillow top is amazing. And, yeah, it does squish. And they said it might not be the full 11 inches. And I'm glad that it's not, because my husband raised this bed up 2.5 inches. So that was kind of a big raise. So yeah, 2.5 inches. So that was a lot to raise the bed up. And then we were worried that it'd be so much that the mattress would hit the windowsill, but it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't. So you guys, that is one of the most comfortable mattresses I have ever tried. It's as good as my pillow top upstairs in my bedroom. This is fantastic. I have to say, you will not regret buying an RV Wilderness hybrid, Montana hybrid mattress with the pillow top. If you like a soft, doesn't hurt your hips. And I'm a heavy lady. You know, I'm short, but I got a little bit of tushy on me, and I'll tell you, this does not grind my hips into the board on the bottom at all. It's absolutely awesome. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour, demonstration, whatever. And yeah, I highly recommend that mattress. Absolutely fantastic. Take care, everyone. Have fun. Bye-bye. All right, this is the back of the bed, and you can see where it's raised up. And there's still access. He made another door there to access the back. And then this is the Thetford potty tray that he made. He had to curve it to fit it. And it's too hard to pull out, so he added this little rope so you can just really easily pull it out. And this is just the pieces before he stuck them on. And you can see you can still access the back quite easily. And then here he's putting new screws down in the floor because they were kind of grabbing at the potty when he pulled it forward.